Good morning, Happy New Year, Merry Christmas. Welcome to my channel Golden Throttle. This is Satish from Bangalore. This is my first motor vlogging video. This is basically an introduction video. Now around 6:30, 6:25. There is a horse race going on here. Oh, okay. So they blocked the traffic, but it's moving. I don't know. Just asked some person over here. He said there is a horse race going on the highway. It's a Kunigal highway. So you can see the crowd. There is much more traffic behind as well. Guys, you can see the horse race here. They're not letting us to go. I think we have to find some other route. So finally we have passed. So the time is around 8 o'clock now. We just had a breakfast stop. Sorry I couldn't record anything because this is the first time I'm doing a vlogging, so I'm still sorting out things, what to do and what to not. I'll make sure that from next videos, we'll have every bit and pieces of our ride. So the destination is around another 50 kilometers away. So most probably we might reach another hour and a half. So guys, my communication language between my friends will be in Kannada, and I also communicate with you with the same languages, Kannada, English and Hindi if possible. So I'm not expert in all these three languages, but I can manage. But Kannada I can speak fluently because I was born and brought up in this place. So apart from that guys, nothing else to speak more because this is my first motor vlogging, so I'm a bit nervous as well because I'm not good at public speaking or speaking in front of the camera, behind the camera, or addressing to something. I'm a bit shy person, so I don't know how will I manage in the future, but everything has a first step, so this is my first step. So please do subscribe, hit a bell icon, and please like the video, share the video as much as possible if you like the video, and please do comment below so that I can improvise myself. Any ideas, any suggestions, everything is welcome, so everything is appreciated.
Hi guys. So we have reached the top. Okay. Bunny.
Hello. So this is the temple, Malarama temple.
This is Lokesh.
Hi guys. So we have come here.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ?
So we just came to take the drone shots
ಮತ್ತೆ
of all the windmills.
ಆಮೇಲೆ
So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು almost ಒಂದು
ಇವತ್ತು ಬಂದಿರೋ ಕಾರಣನೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಿನಗೆ?
ಕಾರಣ
ಇವತ್ತು ಮೋಟೋ ವ್ಲಾಗಿಂಗ್ದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ನಂದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಡಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ
ನಿಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗಾರೆ?
ಸೊ ನಮಗೇನು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. So we just got an immediate
call.
So we have made it here.